Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be discussing a potential snow maker across portions of the Dakotas and Minnesota from Wednesday through Friday. So taking a look at our GFS model, we're looking at Tuesday evening's run. Snowfall will begin to develop across portions of central North Dakota by 12 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. As we head into the afternoon, it's going to spread across eastern North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota. As we head into Wednesday night, the snow will spread across far northern Minnesota and begin to get much heavier, especially as we head into Thursday morning across areas of north central and northeastern Minnesota as the low pressure begins to rapidly deepen. And as we head into Thursday afternoon, the low pressure will continue to get stronger and it will elongate. This low pressure could potentially undergo bombogenesis and is going to begin to wrap snow around the backside into North Dakota and northern Minnesota. And as we head into Thursday night, snow showers will continue across northern and central North Dakota, west central and north central Minnesota. As we head into Thursday night and Friday, snow showers will move east into Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin. And finally, the snow will move out of the area by Friday night as the low pressure moves east. So we're going to be taking a look at some forecasted snowfall totals by the GFS model. And looking at forecast snowfall totals, the GFS model is saying there's going to be anywhere between 2 to 3 inches of snow across central and eastern and southeastern North Dakota and northeastern South Dakota, and then areas of northeastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota in these darker blues, 4 to 6 inches of snow. And then in these purple areas in far northern Minnesota, you could be seeing anywhere between 6 and even 12 inches of snow from Wednesday through Friday as a result of the storm system. Further south across central and southern Minnesota, y'all will not be seeing quite as much snow, only about half of an inch to an inch and a half, and this is going to be mostly in grassy areas across southern Minnesota. But in these areas further north, likely we'll see some snow accumulate even on some roadways. We're going to be now taking a look at the North American model, see how much snow that model is projecting. And similar to the GFS, it's keeping areas of 4 to 6 inches of snow across northern North Dakota, northern Minnesota, with 6 to 12 inches across the farthest north portion of Minnesota along the Canadian border. However, this model is actually showing some areas of 2 to 5 inches of snow further south, including areas of central North Dakota, northeast South Dakota, and western south central Minnesota. So it's possible that these areas further south could see a few inches of snow if this model verifies. And then finally, taking a look at our North American model, the mesoscale version, showing pretty similar snowfall totals in similar areas with 2 to 6 inches across northeastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota, and 6 to 12 inches near the Minnesota North Dakota Canadian border, and about 1 to 2 inches across central and southern Minnesota. And again, in the southern areas, likely we'll only see an inch or so in grassy areas, but areas in the north will probably see some accumulation even on roadways. So be careful driving. And finally, I mentioned that this storm system is likely to rapidly intensify. So we're going to be taking a look at some potential wind gusts with this system, because we're going to have some impressive straight line winds as the pressure gradient tightens with the strengthening low pressure. So as we head into Wednesday morning, wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour will begin to spread across western areas of the Dakotas in these purples. And as we head into Wednesday afternoon and overnight, wind speeds will pick up to 30 to 40 miles per hour across the Dakotas and Nebraska. And as we head into Thursday morning, wind speeds will intensify to 35 to even areas of 45 miles per hour in the Dakotas and Nebraska. As we head into Thursday afternoon and evening, winds will really ramp up across the Dakotas with widespread wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour, with isolated gusts as strong as 60 miles per hour possible across areas of South Dakota Thursday afternoon. So if you are in these areas, be sure to secure any loose objects or bring them inside, and be prepared for even some possible sporadic power outages, down trees, and even some roof shingles blown off with these kinds of straight line winds. And as we head into Thursday night and Friday morning, winds will back off a little bit to 30 to 40 miles per hour, with gusts isolated areas of 45 miles per hour across the Dakotas and now spreading into Minnesota and Iowa. And then finally, into Friday, winds of 30 to 45 miles per hour will remain possible across eastern areas of the Dakotas and now moving across much of Minnesota and Iowa. So overall, we're going to see some snow across areas of the northern plains, particularly across northern North Dakota and central northern Minnesota. However, some areas further south do have a chance to see a few inches of snow. In areas further south, accumulations will remain mostly on grassy surfaces. Areas further north, likely to see some snowfall accumulation even on roadways. So be careful driving in those conditions. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, leave a like. Have a wonderful evening.